Question number 7. The students of class 8th of a school donates rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donates as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Here solution. A total donated money it is rupees 2401. Let number of students equal to x. Therefore donated money by each student equal to rupees x, or you can say according to statement x into x, it is 2401. From here find out value of x. X into x, it is x square equal to 2401, or x is equal to, if you remove square on the right hand side, you have to take square root of this number, that is 2401. Now find out prime factors of this number. 2401 now divided by 7, you will get 343, again by 7 you will get 49, again by 7 you will get 7, again by 7 you will get 1. Therefore this can be written as square root of 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now make pairs of 2 and take one number from each pair, that is 7 into 7, that is 49. Therefore number of students in the class it is x, and value of x is 49. This is your answer. Now come to next question. Now come to question number 8. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Here solution. Here number of plants equal to, it is given to you, it is 2025. Let number of rows equal to x, and number of plants in each row equal to x. According to statement, x into x, it is 2025, or x square equal to 2025. Now here we have to find out x. So if you remove this square, you have to take square root of right hand side, that is square root of 225. So let us find out prime factors of 2025. The divided by 3, divided by 3, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, again by 3, that is 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, again by 3, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, again by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, now by 5, it is 5, and again by 5, it is 1. Therefore x is equal to square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now make pairs of 2 and take one number from each pair, that is 3 into 3 into 5. Multiply it, it is 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 45. Therefore number of rows it is x, and value of x is 45, and number of plants in each row it is again x, and value of x is 45. This is your answer. Now come to next question. Now come to question number 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Here we find out LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Here solution LCM of 4, 9 and 10 equal to. Okay, let us find out LCM of 4, 9 and 10. 4, 9 and 10. Here divided by 2, it is 2, 9 is not divisible, write as it is, 2 5 ja 10, then by 2, it is 2 1 ja, 9 is not divisible, 5 is again not divisible, then by 3, it is 1, 3 3 ja 9, 5 is not divisible, write as it is, again by 3, it is 1, 3 is divisible by 1 times, again 5, and then divided by 5, it is 1, 1 and 1. Therefore LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Multiply it, 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 3 the 36, 36 5 the 180. Therefore your LCM is 180. Now we have to check whether 180 is a perfect square or not. Here let us find out prime factors of 180. Here 180 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here make pairs of 2. Here we are unable to make pair of this 5. Therefore it is not a perfect square number. In order to make it a perfect square, we have to multiply this number by 5. Therefore in order to make 180 a perfect square, a perfect square, we multiply it by 5. Therefore required number equal to 180 multiplied by 5, that is 900. Therefore the smallest number square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10 is 900. Now come to next question. Question number 10. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Here solution. Here again we have to find out LCM of 8, 15 and 20. LCM of 8, 15 and 20. Let us find out LCM. Here 8, 15 and 20. Divided by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 15 is not divisible, and 2 10 ja 20, again divided by 2, it is 2, 15 and 5, again by 2, it is 2 1 ja 15 is not divisible, then 5, then by 3, 1 as it is, 3 5 ja 15 and 5, again by 5, it is 1 1 and 1, therefore LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply this, it is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, 24 5 ja 120. Now let us check whether 120 is a perfect square or not. Here LCM is 120. Now prime factors of 120, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Here make pairs. Here we are unable to make pair of 2, 3 and 5. Therefore, in order to make 120 a perfect square, we multiply it by 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore, required number equal to 120 into 2 into 3 into 5. You will get 3600. Therefore, the smallest number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20 is 3600. Thank you.